Welcome back to another Minecraft modding tutorial. In our last two episodes, I believe, we set up our class file and our block file. So in this episode, we're going to add in world generation. So you're going to add it into your class file here, and you're going to go under to here. One sec, I have this on my iPad. I always forget this specific code. It has to do with a bunch of numbers and stuff and okay, so it should be right here. So let's put one of these. Whoa, what? Wrong button. Wait, what? Okay, I don't know. Whatever. So we're gonna be here, and we're gonna add in public void generate. Sorry guys, I honestly don't know this part of decoding. All I do is just always forget it. World. First world's capital, second world's not. Then it'll be random. And what we're doing here is we are putting the generation. I honestly don't know what that is. I feel it's so dumb right now. Yeah, this is the generation code right now. So then we're gonna use some variables. So int, whatever you want. I'm gonna use par1 and int par2. Once you have that, you go in. Whoa, what? Random. Is that not right? Seems to be right. Whatever, so it would be 4. Then you want to put the generation. This is the generation chance now. So now we're just defining a variable. Well, no, are we? No, we're not. This is a variable for generation chance. Semicolon. Generate. It feels so dumb right now. Little arrow. 6. Okay, so I'm gonna just go and explain this right now. So the 6 here is the rarity chance. So this will so your ore or block will try to generate 6 times in each chunk. So 6, I believe, is how rare coal is. So if you want yours to be really rare, you can put like 19, I guess. If you want it to be really unrare, so common, 19. If you want really rare, 1. So it has 1 chance. But I'm putting it at 6 because coal seems to be pretty easy to find. And I want this to be pretty easy to find for this tutorial. Generate. I'm gonna try to remember this. Not gonna look. Plus plus, I think. No. Plus plus. It is. Semicolon. Oh no. Squiggly bracket. What? Squiggly bracket. What? Why is this squiggly bracket wrong? Syntax. Okay. We'll figure that out. Okay, so now we are gonna put in. You know what? Before we go any farther, I'm gonna explain something to you. If you go // and then you type something in, so generation or something like that, that will make it as a comment in your coding. So this won't if you want to put any notes or anything in it, you just put // and put whatever you want to save in space and continue on with your coding, I guess. I think that would work, would it? No, it turns the entire line into coding or into a note. So you just want to use a whole line for a note, do that. So yeah, so this is generation. I'll put one here for recipe. What's this? Let's texture. Wait, I'll do this later. It's gonna take too long. So now we have to put in the spawn coordinate places. Is it SpaceX? Yeah, it is. So it'll be equal, and then your entity that you used here, or entity, what am I talking about? Variable that you use here. So mine's par1. Then par1 plus random dot next int, I think. Is it int? Yeah, it is. It is int. And then you want to put in what's this number for? I forget what it's for. Urgh. Okay, so you want to put in 16. Oh my, no, I don't want to change my color scheme. You want to put in 16 because a chunk is 16 blocks high. Yeah, 16 blocks high. And then, because if X is heightness, right? No, Z is. So a chunk is 16 blocks wide. And now we're going to want to do int y equals, and you don't want to use your entity. Why do I keep calling it entity? Your variable here, you just do random dot next. Does that have next? Yeah, it does. Next int brackets. What's the world limit? 150? No, it's 156, I think. I was way off if it is. Oh, do I have to put something here? Yeah, I think semicolons. Yeah, just to end off the phrase. Is that what we're called, phrases? I don't know. Now you wanted to put a definition thingy for z, so that'll be your other variable. So par2, yeah, par2, plus, and then just copy this part here. It'll be 16 again, since a chunk is 16 blocks high. Now, what's wrong here? Okay, so before we go down there, we want to put in oh, I got an email. Screw that, I'm not checking it. It'll be unprofessional. Now you want to type in new world gen mineable. Is that still mineable? Is it? Yep, seems so. And then whatever your block is, so titanium, dot block ID int block. I think that's it right there. Is it? Looks like it. No, it's not. So comma 12, and you want to put another bracket here. And then you're gonna do dot generate. I think this is decoding. Is it? Generate par1 world. It would just be world. And par2 random, I think. No, just be random. And then these will be like X, Y, and Z, or Z, or Z, or however you pronounce it. I think it's Z. I think like Americans and Canadians pronounce it differently. Whoops, I almost forgot something. Ah, dang it. Oh, I think I just realized why this is there. It should be random. Yep. And I have rambum, or ramdom. Should be random. Random. No, don't lock on me, stupid piece of Apple technology. I think that's it. Just go back a few lines. And random is not right. Um, Okay, that works. Save it. Go back to your MCP. Go to recompile and recompile that. That'll be okay. Seems I have 3 errors. Line 33 and line 37. Two on line 33, one 37. So, what's wrong? String get version. What's wrong with that? Public. That worked last time. Do I have one too many? No. Do I have one too many of these? Get to the bottom. No. That's enough of them. I'm just going to delete it. Does that do anything? Yep, it does. It wants a squiggly. Wait, what? What's wrong with you? Hmm. Hmm. Let me try to figure this out. Okay. Figure out what the error was. I just needed one more of these whatchamadoodles. It's all good now. And I'm gonna switch over to Fraps and record finding the thingy. So yeah, BRB. Well, not BRB, since you're gonna be like right there, right after I hit this, but you know what I mean. Okay, I'm back. Is the mic on? Yes, it is. So I started a new world in creative, and we're gonna go and look for a thing. So yeah, let's go. I think I can still craft it. Dang it, it's E to open up this stupid thingy. Let's put a 64 stack there, and let's find a crafting bench. Can I craft it? If I can craft it, that would be nice. Yep, yep. Here's me block. Titanium ore. So now, let's go find it. I think this would be the most efficient way to go and find your mod thing. Let me raise my brightness. Hey, yeah, that's... yeah. But that might be it, but it's not. So yeah, how's life? Is that it? Nope. Mine seems to be more bold and more black. So yeah. Hopefully I can find it, son. Oh dang. I just remember something that I didn't mention in the video. Remember the part where I was talking about that 6, and that's how many chances it gets to spawn? Wait, I have the code right here. Where's my app of notes? Okay, so the line that says... wait, I was talking about the wrong line. Okay, it's like bracket new world gen mineable bracket then titanium dot block ID comma 12. That 12 here stands for how many blocks big your veins can be up to. So it had my block has 6 chances to spawn in each chunk, and each vein can be 10 or 12 big. I mean, so yeah, forgot to mention that. Probably put an annotation there too. So now you have a second reminder. And I've hit bedrock. That's not good. You know what? I'm gonna go try to find this by myself. So yeah. I'm back, and is this mic muted? No, it's not. And I found a thingamabobber. So did destroy this one here and placed one there, so that wasn't one. But this one up here was natural. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them spawned. So spawn generation does work. You just need to figure out a way to find them easily. Probably use some X-ray mods and stuff. So yeah, this has been